me show you how we get it outside.
Hey everybody, Michael Anthony Fitness here, MAF Econ, as I know on this channel. And I take you through what it takes to run a gig econ business and make your money. But before we get into this quick tip, make sure y'all punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy button, and Hulk smash that like button. Let's get into this quick tip. So our multi-app, and for a lot of people who don't know what multi-apping is when you're doing more than one app at a time, whether it's taking 2 orders from different platforms going the same direction, or working different apps at different times of the day, or just doing different apps different times of the week that work best for my market. And today, I turned on the Instacart app, got a $20 Instacart. After I delivered that, I checked on the Veho. There was a $66 Veho that I was able to get. And I also just picked up a $14 Roadie. So with all that combined, I made over 100, and I made my goal for the day. Now, if I feel like it after the Veho route, I can pick up some orders during the dinner rush. But the cool thing is with Veho, they give you an extra hour to complete the deliveries for the delivery window. So I'm going to drop this off first, then begin my Veho route. And if I don't feel like doing more deliveries today, I can be done tonight. So that's why I stress on this channel that it's always good to. That's right, it's always good to diversify the apps that you work. Because if I didn't have those 3 apps and only had a food delivery app, then I would still be out here grinding until the wee hours of the night. I just want to do a quick update on my day today. So I pick up the Roadie delivery from Best Buy, and then I go to Veho. I get my route, everything's smooth. I get everything loaded, and come to find out, as I finish my loading my vehicle, somebody gets stuck on the ramp. There's a picture of them getting stuck on the ramp as best as I could take it, and they had one wheel off of the ramp. So the ramp has 2 sides on it that keep you from drifting one way or the other off the ramp. And they had both wheels on the side of the ramp. So they called a tow truck, and we had to sit there and wait. Now, the smart thing I did while we were waiting was I notified Roadie that I was sitting in traffic because of an accident. And I gave him my expected ETA, and they got it noted on the delivery. I also contacted Veho support and let them know the situation, showing the picture. And they said at first, there's nothing we could do. It's up to the supervisor of the facility. The supervisor let us know that they're going to compensate us for our time waited. So I waited for that compensation, and also they moved the start time later on in the day, about an hour. So the good thing is, when I dropped off the Roadie delivery, it was when the route was supposed to be started at 12:45, which was great. And also, too, noted here, I was compensated $5 for the route. So I made $71 for this route right here because somebody wanted to make a mistake and turn too much and get their vehicle stuck on the ramp. Now, luckily, they got their vehicle out, but I'm sure there's going to be some damage under their vehicle because they had 2 tires off. They finally got it moved with 3 tires on the ground. One of them was still on the other side of the ramp, on the edge, and they finally got it off, but they had some damage, I'm sure, to the bottom of the vehicle, but it was still drivable. I would never understand how someone gets stuck on the ramp. But I'm going to catch up with y'all next video. So you see those packages behind me? I still have my route, but I'm taking a slight gamble today to see if it'll pay off. That I picked up this Roadie. It was a good paying Roadie. I'll deliver that and then come back and finish this route. I'm hoping I'll be finished by 5 at the latest. Going up there to drop this off and coming back, finish around 5. That's what I'm hoping. And I still should be able to reach my goal of 5 o'clock, but $13 added to my pay, hey, I'll take that. I'll take that today. Today was actually a pretty good day. I was also able to get a second Roadie delivery. And other than that mishap earlier today at the Veho facility, I was able to finish my Veho route at 4:45, which was the deadline to deliver all the packages. So I'm good today. You know, got an extra $5 for the wait time at the Veho facility. The start time of delivery was pushed up. So it was a benefit today. So I'm going to leave the totals I made today and the totals for the entire week at the end of the video. But it's Michael Anthony Fitness, and I'm going to get up out of here and go home like Mr. Vontae Davis, and I'll check in with y'all on next video or live stream. Peace.